I want to show you how I made this board. It's a mixed media art with some stencil work and paint and calligraphy. I took the paint and put it on the board and started mixing it with a sponge. I wanted to dilute it, so I have taken some acrylic binder. It's like Fevicol. I spread the paint and so there were no blotches, and it's looking even now. After I did that, I started writing on the calligraphy with white paint, and slowly and steadily I was moving, but it was great fun. I started writing with a round brush because I'm more comfortable with this one. I did not care to take a flat brush. बस I wanted to do it fast, जल्दी जल्दी करना था, so uh, without wasting time, I started doing this writing. And as you can see the side designs, I have made it with the stencil. I placed the stencil and took light color sponge on it and started dabbing, and I got those effects. I have used 2 or 3 stencils in the design. You cannot imagine how excited I was to make this, because over time and looking into the internet and seeing so many 3D arts, sculpture, mixed media art, I wanted to make one, but I didn't know how to start. There was so much equipment involved that I took some time gathering all those things, like different paints, stencils, and many other things. In this board, I haven't used much material, just paints. So here it is, and it's over.